Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting lined up for you. We all know that managing our monthly expenses can sometimes feel like a puzzle, but fear not. In this video, we're going to share some sneaky and clever ways to cut down on those bills and save some serious money. So grab your notepads because we're diving into Save Big Bucks, sneaky ways to slash monthly expenses. Step 1. Subscription Shuffle. Let's start with subscriptions. They can quickly add up, but there's a sneaky way to save her. Take some time to review all your subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, apps, and consider which ones you can do without. Cancel or consolidate those you rarely use. Plus, keep an eye out for special deals and family plans. Step 2. Energy-efficient tweaks. Now let's talk about energy bills. They're a major monthly expense. By making small changes like using LED bulbs, turning off lights and appliances when not in use, and setting your thermostat a few degrees lower in winter or higher in summer, you'll see a noticeable difference in your energy bill. Sneaky, right? Step 3. Grocery hunt. Who doesn't love saving on groceries? Here's a sneaky way to do it. Plan your meals and make a shopping list. Stick to it. Avoid shopping when hungry. You'll end up buying more than you need. And don't shy away from using coupons, loyalty programs, and cashback apps. Your wallet will thank you. STRP 4. Call up bill negotiations. Next up, bill negotiations. Many service providers are open to negotiation. Whether it's your cable, internet, or phone bill, give them a call and ask for a better deal. Sometimes just asking can lead to a lowered monthly cost. It's a sneaky tactic that's worth trying. Step 5. DIY savings. Let's explore some DIY savings. Instead of hiring professionals for every little task, try learning some basic DIY skills. Fix leaky faucets, paint your walls, and perform simple car maintenance. Not only will you save money on labor costs, but you'll also feel accomplished. Step 6. Entertainment alternatives. Now, entertainment expenses. There are sneaky ways to enjoy entertainment without breaking the bank. Look for free or low-cost local events, explore public spaces, or even host game nights with friends. You'll have a blast without overspending. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Sneaky ways to slash those monthly expenses and save big bucks. Remember, it's all about making smart choices, being a little creative, and keeping an eye on where your money goes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and keep those wallets happy.